Skycam. Bright skies out there. You can see a lot of shadows hanging on the capital city. It's beautiful. 49 degrees. Yesterday at this time we were at 50, so we're keeping pace, but notice those winds not keeping pace. Those winds are calm, so it is feeling pretty good outside. Temperatures across the way, we have some 50s already starting to build in western Iowa. Far western Iowa could see some 60s, getting closer to central Iowa. Not quite there though. We have those wind speeds. They're in the single digits, and that is a treat. Yesterday you could only walk on like the southeast side because the winds were so strong from the northwest. That'll be the case again tomorrow, but for today, if you are heading out to play golf, your golf game's not going to get too influenced by the wind. That sunset just after 6 p.m., so it is still going to be a beautiful evening. Tonight, most of us stay mostly clear. Northern Iowa could see some sprinkles, kind of like last night, where they're seeing a whole lot more than that is down to the south. The rain is just pummeling that area. This red right there is flood warning, so they are starting to pile up a lot of the moisture of the water, and there is a tornado watch down to the southeast, so we're still thinking about that area of the country, but up here we are very quiet. We're kind of split between the cloud decks from the north and the south, so clear skies over Des Moines. If you are traveling, it is easy travel here in the upper Midwest. Notice those 60s out to the west. Those will be here this weekend, so we still have a little time to wait before they get here in the center part of the state. Tomorrow, sunshine returns, those 50s returns, but boy, do those winds return. 15 to 30, gusting up over 40. Here's a look at those winds. They're going to be out of the northwest, and they could peak around 30. These are sustained winds, so the gusts are going to be higher, approaching around 45 miles per hour. So just be prepared. A windier day tomorrow than what we had yesterday. As far as the cloud cover, not going to see much in the way of cloud cover even through the overnight. Northern Iowa is going to see some of the clouds as well as a couple dotty showers just like last night, but here in central southern Iowa, mostly clear skies. That rain's going to pass off. We're going to have mostly clear skies to begin the day. Take a look at northern northeast Iowa. Those clouds are going to start to build in. There could even be some passing showers, some snow showers even, but that's going to stay mainly to northeastern Iowa. Just the clouds affecting here us in central Iowa. Then things clear out again for Friday. Temperatures draw back into the 40s, but still there's going to be a bounce back in time for the weekend. So another sun-filled day today, less wind, beautiful. You can walk all the way around your work building today without getting pummeled by that wind. Tonight those temperatures drop off into the 30s, pretty similar to last night. Could be a passing shower, very light up to the north. Breezy night. Those winds are going to start to pick up and they're going to be howling tomorrow. And again, look at that warm up 60s, upper 60s for the weekend.